Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. Today I'll talk about the Timex NeuroFit Wave Band 2 and I'll unbox it. So let's begin. This is the tiny box that you get, and let's get into the unboxing to see what do we get inside. Now this is a device that's not only your typical smart band, because it was made in collaboration with Timex, which you probably know for their classic watches. But this one is actually smart, and it's not only tracking your vitals like your heart rate and stuff like that. It focuses more on your brain. It focuses on your readiness, your cognitive abilities at different times, if you have a good sleep, and what are the stress levels, focus levels, and everything else. Now let's get everything out of the box. There's not much. It's basically the band right here. So I'll get it out right now. And this is the band. Now I'll remove this foil. It looks very simple. Now besides that, there's probably, there is a charger, and that is all that you get in the box basically. You can charge your device like that. Has some sensors, of course, on the bottom of it. And I would say that's it. Of course, there's way more into it, which I'll dive deep into in a moment in a different video, in a review of this device. But let's get to the documentation, some safety information, and now this quick start guide, which tells you how to use your device. Okay, so that is basically the whole unboxing. Feel free to check out the review video to see what this device is actually for, and I hope to see you in another one.